Good morning, students. A warm welcome to all the students of Class 1 for your first class of computer. This is your computer teacher, Devdeep sir, back with another lesson of computer for you all. Now today, children, we will be solving some question answers. We will be solving some question answers of the chapter that is we have last done. Okay. I have many buttons on me which are used to type numbers or words. Who am I? So tell me, children, which is that particular device which has buttons by the help of which we are able to type numbers or words? It is keyboard. It is keyboard. Second question. I help you to draw lines, sketches, and to play games. Who am I? I am mouse. I am mouse. I am mouse. Okay? I look like a television screen. I look like what? I look like a television screen. What am I? I am a monitor. I look like a television screen. Who am I? I am a monitor. Okay? I am the brain of computer. What I am? I am the brain of computer. So what am I? I am CPU. Children, what is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. Okay? Now see, find the names of the parts of each of the following computers. So here, children, you can see some parts are missing. So we have to identify the part that which are the ones that are missing. Now, if you see here, what is missing, children? Can you see? Here, keyboard is missing. Like here, what do you see? CPU is missing. So you have to write here CPU. Okay. Now here in this case, a mouse is missing, which was kept over here. See the previous diagram? The mouse is kept over here, no? So here, as the mouse is missing, so we will write here mouse. So in the first diagram, keyboard was missing. In the second diagram, CPU was missing. And in the third diagram, we saw mouse was missing. Okay? Alright. The computer teacher application based question now, children, please have a look. The computer teacher asks Rahul if he has seen anything at home which resembles like a computer monitor. So tell me, children, which device resembles like that of a computer monitor? A television resembles that of a computer monitor. So which device resembles like that of a computer monitor? Television. Okay? Is it clear, children? Okay. Now, we are going to study the next chapter, which is chapter number 3. We have already completed, children, chapter 1 and chapter 2. Today we are going to start the third chapter. Which chapter? Third chapter. So all of you turn to page number 19. So which page number you have to turn? Turn to page number 19. Okay? Are you there with me, children? Are you there on page number 19? Okay. So what makes a computer very wonderful, children? What is the thing that makes computer very, very interesting? Let us see. It makes very interesting rather because computer helps us to do so many tasks. Okay? Computer helps us to do so many different tasks for us. That is why computer is very interesting to us. Okay? Let us see what are the tasks that are done by computer. Are you there, children? Okay, let's see. First, all of you have used MS Paint. Raise your hand. How many of you have used MS Paint? So computer helps us to draw and color things, like we do the same using MS Paint. Okay, so computer helps us to draw and paint through the help of softwares. Can you name a software, children? Just now I have spoken about it. What is the name of the software, children? Yes, it is MS Paint. Okay, so using MS Paint we are able to draw any particular drawings and paintings. Okay, now solving sums. Using computer you can solve sums either using your calculator or by the help of internet. Okay, so computer can help you solve sum using calculator. Alright, children. Now see, what do we have in the next page? Playing games. Computer helps us to play different games. What are the different games computer can help you to play? Boxing, cricket, car racing, and many other games. So many different games, isn't it? So with the help of computer you can play different games. Is that clear, children? Okay, now see further. With the help of computer we can watch movies as well as cartoons. Do you like cartoons, children? Yes, so different cartoons like Spider-Man, like Donald Duck. Okay, you all can watch with the help of computer. Is that clear? Okay, now see. Sending and receiving messages. With the help of computer we could send messages and email messages, okay, via email clients. So we can send any message to a particular person using email clients. Can you name an example of an email client, children? Yes, see, I have given before you Gmail. So Gmail is one of the email clients that we can use for sending messages. Is it okay, children? Alright. Now children, let us solve some question answers. So for that, please turn to page number 24. I hope all of you have turned to page number 24. So turn to page number 24 to solve the question answers. Where will you solve the question answers? You will solve it in the book itself. Okay. Now, let us see. I know that a computer can do many things for us. We agree to that. Computer helps you do lot of things for you, no? I know that a computer can draw, paint and do sums. Agree to that? Yes. Why? With the help of computer, softwares like MS Paint and calculator, we can paint as well as do mathematical sums. With the help of computer, you can see movies and cartoons. Yes, agree to that. We could watch different cartoon channels and even see movies. I know that computer can type word sentence. Yes, with the help of WordPad, with the help of MS Word, we can type. I know that computer can send and receiving messages with the help of computer. Yes, by the help of email. Can you name an email client that I have just spoken about? Which is that? Gmail. Okay. So now, children, please come to tick the correct answer. Okay. We are going to solve tick the correct answers now. So which one we are solving now? Tick the correct answers. Okay. Tick the correct answers. This is what we are going to solve now. Now, computer can solve dash for you. What computer can solve for you? Computer can solve sums for you. So what will the computer help you to solve? It will help you to solve sums. Okay. So computer helps you to solve sums. You can you can listen to songs with the help of dash attached to that of the computer. So with the help of what we can listen songs, children? With the help of speakers. Okay, computer can type dash for you, words for you. We have just spoken that in the checklist, isn't it? Computers help to send and receive dash around the world. So what it does, it helps us to send and receive messages. Okay, so with that, children, we come to an end of our lesson. So today what you have learned? You have learned about the question answer that were there in chapter 2, and also we have learned about chapter 3, that is uses of computer. If you have any form of doubt, okay, so what you have to do, children? So if you have doubt, please post your doubt, okay, in the WhatsApp group. Okay, in the WhatsApp group. Now, which WhatsApp group you will post? The WhatsApp group of your class. There you have to post. Okay, so in the WhatsApp group of your class, you have to post your doubt. With this is your computer teacher Devdeep sir signing off. Thank you.